So you can record a screenshot from any program on your computer. You just need to find the button on the keyboard that says Print Screen. Usually it's abbreviated PRT-SC. And if you're using a laptop, you may actually have to hold down the Function key near the bottom left and then press Print Screen. And after you press that, nothing really changes except the computer is now holding on to a picture of what was on the screen when you press the button. So back in Word, you can now paste that picture right into Word. You can do that two ways. You can right click and select Paste, or you can just do the hotkey, which is Control V, and there's your picture from the screen. So then I can go back and get another photo. Remember, these are the pictures the judges are going to be looking at when they score your car on its design. So you want to include a couple different angles, probably a straight-on shot where they can see some of the details that you did, maybe a complete side shot, maybe a rear shot. Especially if you did anything fancy, you want to make sure that they can see that. So I've got my 3D letters here. I've got some detail up on the top. I might include a top shot of this car so that they can really see the detail and the effort that you put into it. So a couple different shots. I actually like that one. So I'll hold down Print Screen and then go back to Word and just Control V, and now I have that one. And we'll see how we can crop these and kind of shrink them in a minute, but for now let's just get the pictures. So let's do, I like my grille on the front, so I'm going to do a front shot of my car. So you do the same thing if you were using West Point Bridge Design. You could hold down Function Print Screen. If you're using your robotics program and you need a screenshot of your robotics program, hit the Print Screen button, and that will let you take the pictures from the computer and put them into Word. Alright, the next thing I want to show you is how you can crop these so they don't take up a whole bunch of pages like this. So there's a bunch of things you can do to edit your picture in Microsoft Word, but the menu won't show up until you actually click on a picture. So once I click on the picture, up here you notice this purple box that says Picture Tools. If I click off of the picture, that disappears. So you have to click on the picture first, and then you can select Picture Tools. And there's different borders you can put on it. Some of these look kind of cool. And then you can also do what's called crop. I highly recommend cropping so that you can really focus the judges on just your car. So if you click on crop, the corners of your picture have these black marks on them. And if you set the mouse right on top, you can drag that and it shows you you're going to cut off all of that extra stuff, so that we end up with just a nice picture of the car. Then you could do some of these borders. I'm going to do these round ones. They even put like a little reflection underneath. I kind of like the way those look. Then I'll go to the next picture and select Picture Tools and crop. And you can see we could crop these all down. And you want to be consistent with your formatting. So if you use one of these borders, try to use the same one for each one. And then once you've cropped all of your pictures, you can also resize them. So if you just click on one of them, you can grab the corner and shrink it down. You can have more than one picture on the same line just by clicking next to it and pressing the backspace. I could resize that to match the other one. And you can start to see this would kind of look pretty nice, having all these pictures to show the judges what your car is going to look like.